feels always, baby. Final summer in Australia. I was raised here for 24 years, and it's time to absolutely smash it.
What have we got, Rocky?
Music up, drama down, mate.
Yeah, there was a fucking huge shark.
Someone that's always got a smile on his face. Oh, this is the summer in Australia right here. What's up, Boston? And his advice was have fun. The nurse's advice was don't get anyone pregnant.
That's dinner tonight.
Yum. Yum.
Sweet boy.
I love my mother. She deserves all the flowers in the world.
There's Jaxie, baby, an Ava lady.
Come on. This is what Australian summer looks like, everybody.
Feels the way I do about you now.
It's Farrell, I'm reaching fields. Let's fucking go. Summertime, baby. Summer, summer, summertime. Go explore the world first before you go play Monopoly and get depression. Alright, 6, see you later, bye.
Goodbye.